Hi guys, welcome to another cooking video. This time again I'm gonna try to do something special for you. We're gonna do coriander chicken. Gonna see it's very fast. I do it in an electric skillet, which is, well, I think it's faster this way. It's less messy. Anyway, you're gonna see it's very fast. I think I take chicken leg. You're gonna see it's very easy to do. I think it's been a recipe we did for a long time, and I'm sure I'm not mistaken by saying that it's one of the favorite recipe of my oldest child, which is my daughter Vicky. She likes it. Well, she loves it. So I hope you're gonna love it also, because you're gonna see it's great. It's very fast, like I said, and the only difference you can make is to because I use coriander in powder to pour coriander. You can use fresh coriander. That would be even better. I didn't. It's in winter. I don't have it, so you do as you have to. It's good anyway. So guys, I hope you're gonna try it. I hope you're gonna love it. And for sure, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. Take care, guys. See you on the next video. Ciao.